Good morning. We are back out here with another Tuolumne climbing adventure. We are at Medlicott Dome and we are going to be climbing Shagadelic, which is directly behind me. It is a 3-pitch mixed 5/8 that's supposed to be fairly well protected by Tuolumne standards, and it looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. Come along for the ride. I hope you enjoy it, and if you want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. Enjoying the view from the top of pitch 3. You can see all the way down to Half Dome. Super nice.